Good morning, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, good night. I'm singing and the birds are singing. The birds are singing like this. Tweet, 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 tweet. Let's listen how the birds sing and learn some of their names. Blackbird, blackbird. This is a blackbird. The blackbird is black. Robin, robin. This is a robin. The robin is brown with orange chest. Robin. Sparrow or a house sparrow. The house sparrow is brown. Blue-tit, blue-tit. The blue-tit is yellow with blue wings. Wren, wren. The wren is brown with orange beak. Wren, wren. This is a wren too. Wren. Magpie, magpie. The magpie is black and white. Magpie, magpie. Starling, starling. The starling is brown with white spots. Starling, starling. Jay, jay. The jay is pink or brown with blue wings. Jay. Nightingale, nightingale. The nightingale is brown. That's it for today. Goodbye, goodbye. See you later.